Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And we are just covering the chapter 5 Information Technology in the Supply Chain. So, today's topic is Internal Supply Chain Management. So, in the earlier session, we already discussed the introduction of the supply chain management, how information technology is important in the supply chain management. Okay, so we discussed in previous session CRM, Customer Relationship Management. So, here we will understand internal supply chain management. So, what is internal supply chain management? Internal supply chain management is the process in which the product is buy from the customer. We can say the raw material is buy from the supplier. Okay, and what you need to purchase that. Then after that, manufacturing process, then distributions. So these three process are the internal supply chain process. What are these? Purchasing, production, and the distributions. Okay, so how this process will start? First, you need to buy the raw material from the supplier. Then you need to manufacture the product as per requirement and desire product by the customer. Then finally, this product need to distribute to the customer. Okay, so this is the internal supply chain process. What is the external? External is the buying product from the supplier and delivering to the customer. This is the external. Okay, so internal supply chain management include all processes involved in planning for and fulfilling the customer order. Okay, so internal process, what is this? This is the process in which whatever demand by the customer. Okay, so to fulfill this demand by the customer to the customer, we need to manage the process in which we need to make some planning, some management process for the productions, and all the process which include in this process is the internal supply chain. Okay, so internal supply chain management include the process strategic planning toward the procurement, production, and distribution. Okay, so this planning is need to make in such way that you will get the company and organization will get that optimum level of the output. We can say the optimum level of the profit. So here you need to check out whether what kind of service you providing to customer and what is the pricing level and what is the purchasing pricing, this thing, and what is the service at the management level. So here you need to understand how you are upgrading your strategic planning as per the requirement. This thing you need to understand here. So in this you have to manage the things in right way, like how you can uh, purchasing the product from the supplier, what are the negotiation process, what are the distribution process. This thing need to understand at this point. Then production. So production is also important in the strategic planning, where whatever the order received from the customer, you have to check out whether you are giving the optimum level to the customer as a customer satisfaction product, or the inventory is not fulfilled. So this thing need to understand. Okay, so second is the demand planning. So in demand planning process, you need to understand the demand of the customer. Whatever order received from the customer, you need to planning accordingly. Okay, so what thing need to understand? Just like you receive the order of the 100 unit. So for making an production of the 100 unit, how much raw material you need? So if inventory is available or not in the factory, so if not available, then you need to purchase. After purchasing, you need to produce the final product, then final delivery. So you have to make your arrangement as needed by the demand of the customer. So in the demand planning, you need to check out whether inventory is available or not as per order. The production process is implemented or going on the right way or not. And the distribution also need to check out whether the shipment is delivering to the customer in full amount or not. Okay, so these process need to understand at the level of demand planning. Now supplying planning. So this is the final step after the finished good ready. Okay, so here you need to check out what kind of planning you have made regarding the supplying the product. Like your customer is sitting in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so how many distribution center you need to set up there? How many retailer center you need to set up there to managing the requirement of the all customer? This thing need to understand. And what is the distribution channel? How you are supplying your product to these locations? This is comes under the supply planning. Then fulfillment. Then whatever order you receive, are you delivering and completing your timeline as per order or not? So this is the fulfillment. Just like here you receive order of the 100 unit of the order, and in which you need to deliver. The timeline is given of the 3 days. So are you able to complete this order in 3 days or not? So this is the comes under the fulfillment of the process. Now field service, whether product received by the customer is okay or not, whether you are giving in the your product, you are providing product to the customer in hurry, so maybe some damaged product you deliver. So this can be understand to visit to the customer. So this come under the field service. There must be strong integration between the internal supply chain management and the CRM microprocess. So how this process has been done? These all process are managed in the internal supply chain management, which comes under the information technology software. Okay, so CRM, such kind of CRM are managed like a strategic planning, need to understand order received, supplying, all these things are can be managed the software of the CRM. So with this, we are just completing this in respect of the information technologies. So you need to understand how you are answering this question. You have to connect this question answer in the information technologies uh, topic. Okay, so I hope you have understand some points which are related to these sessions, and you can watch another related this subject videos to the playlist and review the all playlist. So guys, we are going to end this session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.